Welcome to our GPU battle. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two powerful graphics cards. The ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070X TOC edition with 16GB of GDDR6 memory, and the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070OC with 12GB of GDDR7 memory. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's find out which one reigns supreme in this showdown. When it comes to performance, the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070X TOC edition stands out with its 16GB of GDDR6 memory, allowing for smoother gameplay and better handling of high-resolution textures. On the other hand, the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070OC, while equipped with 12GB of GDDR7 memory, still delivers impressive performance, especially in games optimized for NVIDIA's DLSS technology. Both cards are capable of handling modern gaming titles, but the RX 9070 XT may provide a slight edge in demanding scenarios. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during long gaming sessions. The ASUS RX 9070 XT features axial tech fans that enhance airflow and keep the temperature in check, thanks to its military-grade components and protective PCB coating. Meanwhile, the PNY RTX 5070OC employs a triple fan design that effectively dissipates heat, ensuring stable performance. Both cards are designed with cooling in mind, but the RX 9070 XT's advanced cooling technology may offer better thermal management under heavy loads. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 X TOC edition comes with a premium price tag of $799, reflecting its high-end features and performance capabilities. In contrast, the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070OC is priced at $549, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. Depending on your budget and performance needs, each card offers distinct value propositions. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 X TOC edition and the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070OC have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 9070 XT excels in performance and cooling technology, while the RTX 5070 offers great value for its price. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.